Jill. So
there she is.
Hey, Mr. Cal.
Hello, Jill.
No turning back.
Well, I could jump. These need to be a lot tighter.
Yeah. Give me one more snug. Oh, yeah. Oh, perfect. Oh, yeah.
I saw his helmet go down.
Yeah.
You okay?
Perfect.
Okay, like it better. Okay, Cal.
Alrighty, Jill.
The course hasn't gotten any better. Go
Nope.
ahead. If you want to lift that, you can.
Oh, sure.
There you go. Okay. You know, it's all horsepower.
Yep.
So if you get on it right away, you're going to be in trouble. So just drive it and get that good traction and then go, right?
Yep, the 1, 2, 3 for full throttle.
And stay to the side. Don't go in the middle.
Oh, okay.
Right?
Yep.
Either side is fine. The closest to the cones you can go.
Perfect. Thank you.
If you're comfortable.
Okay, thank you.
You like going down the left side?
Left side. You got it, brother.
Get right on them cones and you'll be fine.
Yep, sir.
Give yourself enough room to...
I gotta pretend I got a dominant eye.
Well, give yourself enough room so if you gotta drive a little, you don't hit one.
Yeah. Sounds good.
Once you get down there and start tracking it in high gear, you'll be able to get skin right along there probably pretty good.
Yep. Okay.
Yeah, so have fun.
Oh, I will. Thank you.
Go ahead and light it.
Let's go make some history. Ready?
Yeah, you're...